What up, though? And me and Bay. Your boy done went out and got a toolbox. Cause baby fussing about my tools being everywhere in my truck, in the house. She tired on sitting on knives and screwdrivers every time she jump in my truck. So your boy trying to get organized out here. She be fussing about all these tools I got. Talking about don't be saying that when she go out and buy a handbag. But I'm like, shit, these tools make money. Them handbags just look good. These tools will buy the handbag. I think I've been on this Milwaukee for about 2 years now. This is my little 2 year collection. They ain't cheap. I chose Milwaukee because, first of all, I like the color of them. Secondly, everybody in the maintenance field kind of cheap, so they ain't about to pay this money for no Milwaukee. So I know when I step on the job, I'm the only one with a tool belt full of Milwaukee stuff. Now see, I got to have my gloves, that multimeter, charger. There go my little power tool, battery operated joints, couple plumbing tools. Your boy keep a knife on him, so I got a couple of them. Screwdrivers, my wrenches, my saws. Yeah, we out here. Got my water bottle and my coffee cup. Keep that coffee on deck. When I first started out, I was a carpenter. I just got into this maintenance stuff. I can tell you exactly when I started maintenance. Right after 9/11. I was working downtown in a high rise, putting up some trim. 9/11 came. Then construction started going downhill for a minute. Went from working 70 hours a week down to 60, down to 40. Was about to have a baby. So I needed 40 hours because construction was a bare minimum. So I jumped over to the maintenance side and I ain't never looked back. I think we're gonna do a side channel about me. It's still gonna be me and Bay, but it's gonna be a maintenance side. Cause your boy stay eating. So we always gonna have that. Oh yeah, baby fussing about that sock. I keep a dirty sock in my tool. Well, it didn't start off dirty, but it ended up dirty. Every carpenter know you keep a sock in your toolbox so your safety glasses don't get scratched up. Look at that. How many pair of safety glasses y'all done bought over the year because they all scratched up? Them safety glasses 5 years strong right there. Nan scratch. Because I keep that sock. If you in Atlanta, you need a handyman, holla at your boy. Like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. What kind of tools you got in the garage? All right, it's about lunchtime. I'm out. Y'all be easy.